Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC B1658, indicates an open circuit in the trunk, tailgate, and rear bumper LF antenna system in the 2023 Honda Accord. When the body control module, BCM, detects that there is a disconnection in the rear bumper LF antenna line, it registers this abnormality and stores DTC B1658 for analysis. This issue can affect the vehicle's keyless access features, as the LF antenna is crucial for communication between the vehicle and the key fob. The antenna's location is specifically at the rear bumper, where it connects to the BCM to facilitate the keyless entry system. Identifying this error involves checking the functionality of the antenna and inspecting the wiring for any disconnections or faults. DTC B1658 relates directly to the rear bumper LF antenna, a vital component in the vehicle's keyless access control system. This antenna is physically located at the rear section of the vehicle, specifically integrated into the bumper area. Its primary role is to receive signals from the key fob, enabling functions like remote unlocking. When the body control module, BCM, identifies that this antenna circuit has been opened, it triggers the error code. This disconnection can be due to issues such as wiring faults, connector problems, or even antenna malfunction. Thus, the BCM's detection of these discrepancies leads to the storage of DTC B1658 for appropriate troubleshooting measures. Several factors may cause DTC B1658 to trigger. One significant possibility is an open wire in the EXTTR+ circuit, which can disrupt the signal flow. Similarly, an open wire in the EXTTR- circuit can lead to the same issues. Both are critical for the operation of the LF antenna. Another potential cause could be a faulty body control module, BCM itself. If the BCM internally fails, it may falsely report the antenna as disconnected. Lastly, the rear bumper LF antenna could be defective or damaged, rendering it unable to communicate effectively with the BCM, resulting in the recorded error. Each of these causes must be methodically investigated to accurately diagnose and resolve the trouble code. When DTC B1658 is present, several notable symptoms may arise. A primary indication is that the keyless entry system may stop functioning properly, preventing the user from unlocking the doors without using the key manually. Additionally, trunk access issues could occur, as the rear bumper LF antenna plays a crucial role in signaling the BCM to unlock the trunk upon command. Drivers might also receive alerts or warnings from the body control module, indicating a malfunction within the keyless entry system. Overall, these symptoms serve as key indicators that the B1658 code is affecting vehicle operations, prompting further inspection. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC B1658 involves performing the Honda Diagnostics System HDS self-check. This initial diagnostic process is critical in confirming the existence of the DTC and understanding its current status. During the HDS self-check, the system will automatically retrieve information regarding stored error codes, helping technicians identify and validate any existing issues within the vehicle's electrical hierarchy. This step allows for an organized starting point for diagnosing any other potential trouble codes that may be present alongside B1658. Technicians should record any additional codes, as they may influence the corrective steps taken in future troubleshooting actions. The second step involves inspecting the external circuit connected to the rear bumper LF antenna. Specifically, technicians should conduct an open wire inspection on both the EXT-TR Plus and EXT-TR minus lines. These wires are crucial for carrying signals between the antenna and the body control module. To perform this inspection, the technician should use a multimeter to check for continuity or any notable resistance, ensuring that values are under 1 ohm. Should a discontinuity in these circuits be detected during the inspection, it indicates a fault that requires rectification before proceeding to the next steps in troubleshooting. Properly assessing the condition of these wires is essential, as their integrity directly impacts the functioning of the antenna. Following the external circuit inspection, the next troubleshooting step is to inspect the body control module, BCM. This module serves as the brain of the vehicle's electrical systems, including functions associated with keyless entry. It is essential to ensure that the BCM connector is intact and that there are no loose connections or corrosion that might affect its performance. The technician should perform an internal circuit inspection of the BCM while in an on state, observing voltage measurements. If the BCM fails to show normal conditions during this test, it indicates a deeper issue that may lie within the module itself, suggesting a need for replacement or further evaluation. A properly functioning BCM is vital for the entire keyless entry operation to work seamlessly. If previous inspections yield normal conditions, the next step focuses on the rear bumper LF antenna itself. This antenna is critically involved in the vehicle's keyless access functions, and confirming its operation is paramount. The technician should assess the physical condition of the antenna for any visible damages, such as cracks or broken components, that might influence its effectiveness. Additionally, it can be beneficial to test the signal reception to ensure that it is functioning as intended. If the antenna fails to meet the operational criteria, it is likely the root cause of DTC B1658. Successful resolution of this step may involve replacing the antenna to restore full functionality to the keyless entry system. Upon completing the repairs related to DTC B1658, it is essential to verify that the issue has been fully resolved. The first step in this verification process is to perform a final diagnostic check to ensure that no new diagnostic trouble codes are present. This step confirms that the repairs made did not inadvertently introduce new issues into the system. Following this, technicians should check the keyless entry operation to guarantee that access functions correctly with the key fob. Finally, conducting a road test will help validate the overall functionality of the keyless access system under typical operating conditions. Successful verification ensures that the DTC code B1658 has been addressed effectively, restoring the intended vehicle operations. To reduce the risk of encountering DTC B1658 in the future, preventive maintenance practices are crucial. Regular inspections of the wiring associated with the rear bumper LF antenna system can ensure that there are no wear and tear issues that could lead to disconnection or faults. In addition, ensuring that all connections to the body control module and antennas are secure will help maintain optimal electrical performance throughout the vehicle. Technicians should also implement periodic tests of the antenna's functionality, frequently verifying that it is working as expected. Proactive maintenance and attention to these components can significantly minimize the likelihood of future problems related to the trunk and tailgate access systems, enhancing the overall durability and reliability of the Honda Accord. In conclusion, the diagnosis and troubleshooting of DTC B1658 encompasses several essential steps aimed at ensuring the proper operation of the rear bumper LF antenna system. Identifying the affected components, including the body control module and related wiring, plays a pivotal role in this process. Following a systematic troubleshooting procedure, from initial self-checks through to detailed inspections of circuits and modules, provides a clear pathway to resolution. Implementing regular preventive measures can further mitigate the risk of future occurrences of this DTC. Educating vehicle owners on the importance of such maintenance is equally crucial to extend the longevity and functionality of their keyless entry systems. Ultimately, maintaining awareness and diligence in vehicle care will enhance the performance of the Honda Accord in the long run. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.